What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You just got your TurboSmart blow-off valve installed. I want to know if you guys like the sound of it, if you figured out how to make it sound its best. We're going to do a test run in this video to show you how to get the best sound out of your TurboSmart blow-off valve. So right now I'm just driving regular comfort mode. Look. You can't even hear it. Now I'm going to put it over to sport mode. And again, you can't really hear it. So the trick to it is you have to put it over to your sport shifting. But if you don't have sport shifting, it doesn't come in vehicles without the Sport Plus package. If you have Sport Plus, you already have the sport shifting enabled. If you don't have it, you're going to have to use Beamer code to enable it within the ECU. So now I have this sport shift over, I have it in sport mode as well. Alright guys, so the trick is, now that you have this, you have the car in sport mode, you have the shifter over to sport shift. When you're accelerating, you want to let go of the gas as if you were driving a manual car. Like if you're driving a manual, you have to let go of the gas, hit the clutch in to shift. So once you do that, listen to the difference. So you want to listen for the car's shift point. At those shift points, let go of the gas and you'll hear the blow-off valve a lot louder. So you kind of want to, if you're experienced driving a manual transmission, you'll have that ear for when that car's going to shift. So as soon as you hear that gear shift, let go of the gas. Let's do it again. Alright, we're going to do it one more time. Lower the gear, the louder it's going to be, because it's building up that pressure when you can start in a lower gear. I think I was in 5th on that last run. Alright, so we're in 2nd right now. So from 2nd to 3rd, let go of the gas. You can hear the engine when it's about to shift, and just let go of the gas, and that built up pressure will be a lot louder when it gets released. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop me a like. Any questions you have, drop them below as well, and subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next video.